Hi, so I'm coming to you from my nail suite because I have a nail suite, and I'm actually just coming to say, hey, I'm Chloe. I am the face behind all the videos that you see up on this YouTube channel. You're gonna see a lot more videos from me on airbrush nail art, gel nail art, acrylic application, e-file shaping, just whatever I feel like recording and posting up here. You're gonna be able to find down in the information section down there somewhere, not on my lap, just links to the websites that I have to either get the products I use, find additional resources for education, or just if you want to know more about me. I am a nail artist located in San Antonio, Texas. I'm from Detroit, Michigan. I've been in San Antonio, Texas for 11 years now, and I relocated to San Antonio after a layoff of my corporate job. I've been doing nails for now we're at 17 years. 17 years doing nails, and I'm wrapping up trying to do a little bit more information giving and sharing for new nail techs coming up. I specifically focus on people who are either in school, on their way to school, or graduated from school. Nothing wrong with the self-taught folks. It's just that if you want to get these type of quality products and stuff that's not on Amazon, it could possibly be a fake or a phony, then you're going to need your license to do so. And being a nail artist is a very lucrative career. A lot of times people don't want to go to nail school because they say they don't teach them anything, but nail school is to teach you how to pass state boards. Everything else you will learn on the way or by taking additional hands-on classes. And caveat to that with the hands-on classes, I just want to make sure that when you're taking a class from a person, you look at their work, look at the watermarks, make sure it's their watermark. You look at their track record in the industry. You look at how many classes they've taken in order to evaluate if you want to take something from this person. Because, of course, everybody's throwing up classes. People got e-classes, or they've been doing this for years, blah, blah. But, you know what I'm saying? Look at their credentials and make sure that that's somebody that you actually want to give your money to for education. If you have questions or there's some specific kind of content you want to see, go ahead and drop that in the comment box. I will get to it. I pretty much typically respond back to the messages like within 24 hours. I get a notification on my phone and then I'll respond back to you. When you see my videos, they're just going to be raw regular videos. I may or may not wear makeup. I'm in the creative space. I'm still a full-time nail tech. I'm a part-time nail instructor. I have an online nail art school. I have an online nail art store. So if you're worried about me wearing makeup, you're worried about the wrong thing. I'm trying to teach you how to make your coins, retire great with coins in your pocket, savings, 401ks, whatever, and also enjoy your career. That's what I'm here for. Anything else? I don't know. So, like I said, click that subscribe button. I never say that. Click that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Watch my old videos. Ask questions. Click on some of my resources. And let's just enjoy this time. Thanks for joining me.